What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom. Speak today, people. I'm reacting to G and Deaf people, yeah? Formerly known as Dig It Away. I think that's what he had beforehand. And yeah, I wonder why he changed it to G Deaf. Anyway, people, let me know why he actually changed it. Is there like a certain reason why he changed it for some reason? Like, let me know, people, in the comment section down below, people. Yeah, make sure you guys do that. Let me know, people. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and all sorts like that. People, man, he is a Cambodian rapper. Let's get into this one right about now. Let's go. Put the subtitles. Let's go, people, man.
Tlop sanaya, tlop sacha menten. Tlop sanaya, be a better man. Tai vi kron chi ka som dai. Oi tum nok chet on, tai ko oi an chư tai ai yeah. Phia chan nak tam thor ni. Phia chum ring chu non srai a than nei tam bot chum ring nung melody yeah. Ton na ha krai do ya ki tam chum nong chong krup ni ri. Oi be dong on bai chi pi yeah. Krai be bai kni chat kan ta nang on. Na rom be bai kan tai chum like ni yop this man son. Bon some lăng mà me alone yeah. Be do chong prai chi stone yeah. I'm dancing on my own yeah yeah. Kai run jon ni prai te chi tu li. Mi no pro na tlop ta rang mom prai chi tun tri yeah. Ring kai tro trom ri ke we dong kap kampung tai bai. Kli vi de sa rai nyang chi sam pi. On ku kwal kwai bom man dai te. On the name and ke yes I'm okay. Pro kum ho bom chi ne sang. Ai tha bong chi pro na kni som na.
Ooh. He said, not caring when she was near. I mean, he's really saying some shit, man. I'm a lucky man. What he said right there was so true, man. Trust me, man. Trust me. That's so true what he said before this one. He said this poet is not enough for her, the heart to understand.
Ban tram lùi mơ ban tram trong đằng pi sốc tông mi sùn. Khai ôn nơi cung cồn. Khai ôn trong lẽ bồng buồn. Khai kê mình thái mình thuần ôn. Bông lư thao ôn trong bờ trò lọc. Ôn nơi tay trong chạm tụ bay chỉ snai yên trời bên shop. Rương bi á đất ôn chư mình trai rư quay. Trong prap tháp pro đôi bông bật chia mình xa xóm đừng rụp ra. Ôn cung khoa khoái bông mình đầy tê. Ôn tên nơi nâng kế yes I'm okay. Pro không hò bông chia nè xa. con nực về ngày con nực khai giờ sai mà phật mình lọp khai chuột ba ray chất vì ngọc tại ao nước xa bên nơi tại chuột mình ai mình chop mình ai mình chop mình ai mình chop chẳng lọp co mình cao trong tại ao còn mình hiền mình ចង់រំខានមិនមែនមានន័យថាចិត្តនេះមិនចង់បាននាងចិត្តមិនហ៊ានមិនចង់បំពេញព្រោះឃើញចិត្តនាងក៏បានស្បាយបើសិននាងនៅនឹងយើងទោះបីជាស្នាមញញឹមក៏គ្មានឡើយ
You know when like you're so zoned into the song, people, and that you're just listening and taking note. You know what I mean? Like you're not really want to pause it so much, but I'm trying to just private, man. Like just taking it in it, like. I mean, I'm liking the singing, the vocals. There you go, people, man. There you go, people. Hey, people, man. Whew. I like this one. I like this one. Something different from his last ones. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, people, man. There you go, people. There you go.